heard of the term chakra before, which is Sanskrit for wheel. And when I say wheel, I mean an energetic wheel. All of us sentient beings have main chakra points throughout our bodies, and these wheels are meant to turn. And as they turn, the energy flows through our bodies, sort of like a river, allowing the freshness and the coolness to go through us for optimum overall well-being. If one of these wheels gets stuck or stops, the energy can then become stagnant. Again, think of a river, that if something gets stagnant in the corner, then things like disease and illness can start to appear and grow. There are 7 main chakras for all of the sentient beings. They each have their own location, function, and color. Knowing where these chakras are when you're doing an animal healing is quite important, because it will actually help you focus your healing efforts on areas of concern, as well as let you know what might be affected by blockages for those particular areas as well. So when we perform a healing on a chakra, what we do is get the wheel to start turning again, so the energy can start flowing through the animal and to then allow their body, their natural ability to heal. So I have included in this course a variety of different chakra charts for a few different animals. Now, as you learn where the chakras are, you'll probably be able to guesstimate where chakras are for animals that I haven't provided charts for, or for animals that may have different body shapes and sizes. What's most important here, again, is that you focus on the intention of healing. If you're not quite sure where a chakra is, don't worry about it. Just focus on the healing, and that will do.
Here's a quick example of chakras on a dog. At the top of the head, the crown chakra. Between the eyebrow or eye area, third eye chakra. In the neck area, the throat chakra. Around the chest, the heart chakra. The stomach area is where the solar plexus chakra is. It's a little difficult to see in this video, but it's around this area. Between the hip area is the sacral chakra. Then the tailbone would be where the root chakra is.